If you love fashion, you won't need us to explain the difference between a designer brand and a high street or commercial one. For those of you who aren't quite sure, think Sony versus Mango, Burberry versus Banana Republic, Givenchy versus Jigsaw. Of course, there are many differences between the high and low, the prices, the branding, and the heritage, just to start. What you might not be so clear on is how the print designs in these two fashion markets differ. And if you're a print designer hoping to cater for both the high and the low, you'll need to know exactly how to do this. Luckily, we at the Print School have you covered. If you watched our video, How to Design Fabric for High Street Fashion Brands, you'll already know what makes a commercial print design. If not, you should head over there later on. Today is all about the high-end market. High-end brands play a role in driving fashion trends. We look to them for bold new ideas, inspiration and direction. They are aspirational and revered, and befittingly, so are the print designs they feature. So how does this differ and affect your design process? Our creative director Beck says that in designing for the high-end customer, there's always something a little odd that takes a design away from being mainstream. Here are 5 ways to do exactly that. 1. Use unexpected colours. A fresh and even surprising palette will give your design an instant high-end lift. The right colour palette can turn even the most basic floral design into something brilliant. Richard Quinn loves a vintage rose, but using his loud, highly saturated colour palette, the look is edgy and exciting. Number 2. Blow up the scale. In high-end print design, bigger is better, or at least more luxurious. Here, Dries Van Noten makes an easy screen printable floral design interesting in a large scale. Imagine this same print in half the scale. It would be less impressive, right? More akin to a commercial style print. Jason Wu uses the same strategy here, balancing large areas of abstract positive shapes with large areas of open space. Number 3. Be free with your layout. Because a designer garment sells for a higher price point, manufacturers aren't so concerned about fabric wastage. They can engineer a print to a garment much easier than a commercial brand, which has lower margins. This Oscar de la Renta dress boasts a beautiful feminine floral, a style that would naturally appeal to a wider mass market. But what makes it not commercial? It's the layout. If you break it down into sections, each area of the design has a different layout, and you can see the different floral arrangements in each one, rather than the same 3 arrangements in an even all-over toss. Number 4. Use a muse. When you're stumped for design ideas, think of a person whose style you admire. It can be anyone from Jackie Kennedy to Bella Hadid. Use their style as your guide. Think about whether they would wear your print, and the type of clothing they would wear it on. It will take your work to a place you might not otherwise have gone. Number 5. Ignore the rules. Now forget everything you know about designing for the high-end market, because dresses like this Ulla Johnson break every rule. The scale is mid-size and the layout is an even toss layout, with the standard type repeat. It goes to show designers don't actually take the print to the extreme. A commercial style print works in this instance because it is used on beautiful fabric and in an interesting shape. So experiment. Have fun with layout, colour and scale. It's important to take risks and pour your most creative ideas into your high-end prints, because high-end designers see themselves as risk takers in the fashion world. And as a result, they want to work with risk-taking print designers. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit subscribe. And if you haven't got to it yet, grab your freebie at theprintschool.com, the ultimate handbook for surface pattern designers. Learn the exact skills you need to have a globally successful career as a surface designer. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.